Let's make the chicken bites in the air fryer. This pumpkin chick. So I've already put it inside. Let me show you. We have them there. They're leftovers from yesterday. Because I just want it warm. Okay, 5 minutes is enough. Meanwhile, I'll make some coffee to keep me warm. I'm gonna use this glass, coffee glass, and add in some stevia sweetener. It's organic. Let's look at the final product. There you go. Let's bake a cake. We have our ingredients here. I'm using self-raising flour because it already has baking powder, and then I'm gonna put some white chocolate. I'm gonna put also, we have raisins, we have sugar, then I'm using this hand mixer from Russell Hobbs. This I bought in MediaMarkt, Vienna. Then I'll use egg whites, no egg yolk, of flour, using this measuring jug, and I'm now sieving the flour. I'm using egg whites because I don't like the yolk, so I carefully make sure that the yolk doesn't go in there. So here I'm using 4 eggs, medium sized. Yeah, we're gonna mix. I'll call you when it's time to mix. You want to mix? Okay. So we're using 4 eggs. I'll put the measurements. Wait, I'll give you the chocolate when I've opened. So those are 4 eggs, egg whites. So inside here we have 1 cup of oil. You can use butter or your cooking oil. For me, I've used the sunflower cooking oil, then 1 cup of sugar and the egg yolk. These bubbles, let me show you the bubbles. The bubbles, see these bubbles? This is what is gonna make the cake to be moist. So you can beat it up with the hand mixer till the bubbles are so many. Then you add milk. This is almost 1.5 cup milk, just the normal milk. This cake is just a normal cake. So next time I'll bake a carrot cake and then just different types. But this is just plain cake for today. So once you put in the sugar, see these bubbles? We're gonna go in with the mixture. That's the flour. It has a pinch of salt. If you want to put flavor like vanilla, that's okay. And a bit of baking soda. We'll go in with our mixture of flour. I already sieved this. I don't know why I'm doing it a second time, but it's okay. So this is the last portion of the flour. So go in with that. We're not using the hand mixer because we just want it to be, you can even use a spatula or even a spoon at this point. Let's go in with the raisins. I have white chocolate and white chocolate. Then we mix it in. You want to taste chocolate? Let me also taste a bit of chocolate. Oh, mix it in. Is it usually mixed in? I've just done my business. Okay. As you do this, make sure you lined your oven is preheating at 180 degrees Celsius. So we're gonna put these sprinkles later once we put it in the baking tray. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. That is 350, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but here we use Celsius. So degrees Celsius, 180. Let me preheat it first for 10 minutes, and then I want it to be double heating from the top and from the bottom. Let's line our baking tray. Just use butter or margarine. Line it. Although I'm going to put a baking sheet down here, but it's just good to line the baking tray so that the cake doesn't stick. I'm also lining the bottom of the baking tray with this baking paper from Faye. Good. So let's put the mixture in the baking tray. I'll give you the sprinkles to put, just wait. So put your mixture inside. You're watching Young Sheldon. We're now doing the sprinkles. Brianna, put the sprinkles. Put a lot. Ah, nice. This will go in at 180 degrees, 45 minutes. Where's the light? Okay. So let's do 45 minutes. I use these Docker lights. Let me charge it because it's off power.